Y'all, okay, so it is currently 5:59. I was supposed to leave an hour ago. I'm about to go up this mountain, save my marriage. Like, but nah, guys. So I'll see you guys later. But y'all, we are literally about to do this. First travel assignment, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, see you guys later. Checked in since earlier, but I am currently somewhere in Mississippi, but last time I checked I was in Hickory, Mississippi. I don't know where that's close to, but yeah, it's currently 10:44 in the morning. I had got stuck in traffic earlier this morning, like around 6:20ish, and I was in traffic for a good while, so it kind of like threw me back a little bit. And then I stopped and got gas somewhere, and then I had to go to another place to use the restroom. And so I'm back on the road. I have 135 miles to go until my next interstate, but according to my GPS, I have 6 hours to go till I get to my hotel for tonight. And it says it's supposed to be arriving at 5:44, but if I have 6 hours, it's currently 10:45. Oh wait, am I going through a time change? Maybe that's why it's saying that. Maybe I go through the time change today instead of tomorrow. But whatever, that's probably why. Never mind. Okay, but yeah, so far so good. Really grateful, really thankful. Yeah, so we're getting it done. I'm so ready to be done. I'm so ready to get to my hotel and relax, eat, and go to sleep, and then do this all again tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys see my view right now. So We're coming up in Alabama. Sweet home Alabama. The skies are blue. Welcome, sweet home Alabama. I know y'all see this sign. Y'all, okay, so I'm so mad because I missed the welcome to Georgia sign. Bro, I was like, wait a minute, am I going the wrong way? And I forgot I passed through a tip of Georgia and then I'll be in Tennessee. But what the crap? I have 2 hours and 17 minutes left, so it is currently 8:23 here and I am in Knoxville, Tennessee. I'm staying at the Aloft Hotel, and guys, it is so freaking nice, like so nice. I've always wanted to stay at one of these hotels, and I wanted to get one in Dallas, but I never went. So this is my first time staying at this hotel, and I'm glad that I did. It's super nice. I'm gonna insert the room tour probably after this little clip, but yeah, I'm just watching Kissing Booth 3 and just laying down, about to get ready to go to sleep because it is 8:20 and I gotta get up in the morning early. So yeah, you guys, yeah, tomorrow I do have a few things to do. I have to move into my apartment, and it's supposed to rain tomorrow. It's supposed to be raining where I'm going. So I just really pray that it's not raining too bad, because I really need to move my stuff in. I need to get around, but I'm gonna have to pay my security deposit, move into my apartment, and go grocery shopping, apartment shopping or whatever. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. This is when you first walk in. This is just the overview. So got this little stuff, don't feel like explaining it, but and then this is the little bathroom area, really nice. And then this shower, you guys, is everything. And then this mirror, and this couch, and then these beds. Okay guys, so it is currently 6:14. I've been driving since 6 o'clock. I just thought I'd come on here and update you guys. So my stay last night at Aloft in Knoxville was so good. I slept like a baby. Gosh, I just wish I had a hotel bed and sheets. Oh my God. But I checked out this morning, got up around 5:20, checked out, super easy checkout, didn't have to sign any paper, nothing. They just sent my receipt to my email, and yeah, that was it. So super easy, contactless. Even my check-in was contactless. I just had to swipe my card, but that was it. My incidental fee, but yeah, so I am set to make it to my destination by 11:30 today. I'm going to the bank first, so that's where I have it set, and I have 5 hours and 14 minutes left. I'm just really praying everything goes smoothly today, praying to God that everything goes smoothly. I'm able to get my money out the bank, since I wasn't able to get it before I left home. And I'm really hoping I can move into my apartment just as smooth as possible, because it's supposed to be raining too, guys. And if it's still raining, then I'm not going to be taking all this stuff up and down. So, but yeah, I really pray everything just goes smooth as possible. I just continually ask God for traveling grace, and yeah. it, guys. I'm gonna let you see my little view, and then I'll talk to you guys later. Okay guys, so this is an overview of the apartment. You walk in, there's a pantry right here. There's also this little desk area you can use for schoolwork. And then a little kitchen area, which is super nice. And then this huge island with these, I love this. And then refrigerator, and then our washer and dryer. I think it's going through a full cycle. And our heater. And then this huge living space. Gotta get in the ceiling fan, but huge living area, the patio. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna close. This, but yeah, this is the overview from all my stuff right there. But huge patio area for us to sit on. It's huge. No view though. And then the room. It's a nice size room. And then going to the bathroom area. These are the two closets. So I'm glad that it has two closets for me and Christian. So I have a closet, she has a closet, and they have mirrors on them. And through this door is the bathroom, which is huge. Big mirror. And bathtub, but this is what it looks like. And then that's the door to get back into the kitchen area. But yeah, this is what we're working with so far. And this is an overview of the whole kitchen area. It's so beautiful. But what is up, you guys? I just want to come on here and update you guys because it's currently 12:50 where I'm at right now. And I got a little bit of stuff done with the apartment, not too much though. I just placed the order for my rental furniture, but I haven't opened these yet, but I have opened that. Just got my shoes right there. I'm gonna get like I may get a little chair to put right there. I'm not 100% sure yet. Not 100% sure just yet, but it's fine because I did buy 2 of these. But I just got another lunchbox because I threw my old one out. Got these put these up. The kitchen is our happy place because I know I love to cook. And I got this little blessed cute sign from Walmart. Shout out to my mom for finding it in Walmart. So cute. And then I just got a few little groceries. I mean, nothing too crazy. Got some water, some pizza, veggies, you know, the norm. And then a little bit of meat. Did I show you guys? Oh, nothing in here besides washer and dryer. That's it in this little pantry area. I'm gonna try to make all this food last for 3 weeks, for 2 weeks, and then I'm gonna go grocery shopping. Y'all, in my next apartment or my house, I need a big island like this because I just feel like I could do so much with this island. I did go buy these stools today, you guys. They are so cute, and they were only $18. So I think I may go back and get one more. They were only $18. I do plan on having like guests and stuff over, so like our friends probably coming to town. So, but yeah, I love that, and it just flows. And that's my little area, my little air mattress that I've been sleeping on, little balcony, and in there. And I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom. I mean, it's not done at all. I'm not really worried about trying to make it look cute right now. Just really trying to worry about just like getting everything, it's like unpacked really. I put this shower curtain up. I might get another one, and I got this little thing from Walmart. Probably, and that was $19. It was definitely not worth it because look how little that is, and then it slides so much. So I'm gonna get new stuff in here. I may do like warm tones in here too. I'm gonna stop this video right here, you guys. You guys will be seeing a ton of more videos about this whole entire journey or whatever. I will be making a separate video just talking about everything and expressing my feelings to you guys, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, also hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every single time that I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.